Most luxurious all-inclusive resorts in Jamaica. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. I know how passionate you guys are when it comes to travel. So today we'll be looking at the most luxurious all-inclusive resorts in Jamaica. At Elite Jamaica, we have shared a ton of incredibly cool and luxurious destinations. But the resorts on this list are the pinnacle of luxury. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you do so, please click the notification icon so you never miss an update. And for a short disclaimer, none of the resorts on this list are a sponsor of Elite Jamaica in any way. With that said, let's jump into the list. Beaches Negril Resort and Spa. Designed for families with kids and teens, Beaches Negril Resort and Spa is a beautiful property with a wide variety of activities, classes and events, with a water park, kids camp, teen hangouts, and specialty activities. Children have a plenty to keep them busy, and adults can enjoy the spa or candlelit dining for two. Contemporary rooms have ocean views, and the biggest one sleeps up to 12 people. The location, right on Negril's 7-mile beach, puts the resort a short drive away from the town center, and a number of shops, boutiques, and craft markets, as well as restaurants and bars. Since the majority of guests are families, the resort is at times noisy, but the hotel is so large that it's possible to find quiet. Hilton Rosa Resort and Spa. The Four Pearl Hilton Resort and Spa is situated in Jamaica's resort-heavy North Shore, a 15-minute drive from Montego Bay's Hip Strip. This all-inclusive hotel offers an excellent list of amenities, including an immaculate private beach, a spa, and plenty of adult and kid-friendly features. However, the on-site Sugar Mill Falls Reggae Park, Jamaica's largest, distinguishes the Hilton from other area resorts. The 488 rooms are sharp and contemporary, with large flat-screen televisions, free Wi-Fi, and private balconies. The hotel's only drawback may be the lack of attractions within distance. However, a shuttle provides free transportation to Rosa Plantation House and other destinations. Beaches Ocho Rios Resort and Golf Club. The all-inclusive Beaches Ocho Rios Resort and Golf Club is one of the most kid-friendly hotels in Jamaica, offering an Xbox garage for teens and tweens, as well as Camp Sesame, full of Sesame Street characters, a water park, and babysitting services. There are activities for adults too, with golf and scuba lessons, the Red Lane Spa, and an adult-only piano bar. Since the majority of guests are families, the resort can be noisy. The 223 rooms have upscale Caribbean style. Jewel Paradise Cove Resort and Spa, Runaway Bay. Curio Collection by Hilton. The resort's all-inclusive rates include a whole lot. Not just food and drinks, but also glass bottom boat tours, a daily scuba dive for certified divers, a sunset cruise, reef snorkeling excursions, use of non-motorized water sports equipment, pool and beachside movies, a Konoko Falls tour, and a shopping tour. Since the resort isn't near one of Jamaica's major tourist destinations, the tour do help compensate. Guests of Jewel Paradise Cove also get waived green fees at Runaway Bay Golf Club. Couples Swept Away Negril. Restricted to couples age 18 and up, this large though quiet 312-room all-inclusive is one of Jamaica's best beaches. Modern rooms with Wi-Fi and iPod docks, quality food, and a low-key atmosphere best sandals, but couples isn't as intimate as the sunset at the Palms or the Caves. Hundreds of guests share the beach and restaurants. Moon Palace, Jamaica Grande. Set on a private beach within a short walk of downtown Ocho, Rios, the 705-room, 5-pearl Moon Palace Jamaica Grande is a sprawling all-inclusive that would give Vegas joints a run for their money in scale, features, and extravagance. After undergoing a full renovation, this family-friendly property reopened in 2015 with majestic marble interiors in a luxurious setting. The sleek beach house-inspired rooms have balconies with water views and include iPod docks, flat-screen TVs, liquor dispensers, and welcome wine. There are 4 restaurants, multiple bars, 4 swimming pools, a world-class spa with 23 treatment rooms, a surf machine, and a state-of-the-art fitness center. Guests can even swim with dolphins for a fee. Iberostar Grand Hotel Rosa. The best of the 3 Ibero resorts in Montego Bay. This 295-room all-suite hotel is light years beyond its neighbors in terms of decor, food, and features. While some elements remain shared with the lesser Iberostar Rose Hall Beach and Iberostar Rose Hall Suites, for instance the spa, a fitness center, casino, nightclub, and shops, guests at Iberostar Hotel Rose Hall get the pick of the litter with free access to all 3 resorts' restaurants, bars, pools, and beaches. The rates might be higher, but for a good reason. Secrets Wild Orchid, Montego Bay. The sprawling Secrets Wild Orchid is one of the more luxurious adult-only all-inclusive resorts in Montego Bay. The resort virtually shares all of its amenities with the sister property, Secrets St. James. And some of the best amenities and freebies are reserved only for the VIP guests staying at the premier part of the resort. These rooms are a touch more luxurious than the Secrets St. James. Secrets St. James. This all-inclusive beachfront resort on a remote peninsula is one of the more luxurious adult-only options in Montego Bay, and has a laundry list of property features, including 10 restaurants, 8 bars, an expensive spa, nearly half-mile of beach, and a ton of activities: a theater, dive center, shopping plaza, casino, and game room. Secrets St. James shares most of its amenities with its sister property next door, but rates here are often a bit cheaper. Sandals Royal Caribbean Resort and Private Island. For adult guests who want to enjoy an all-inclusive experience but prefer a resort that's a bit smaller and more private, Sandals Royal Caribbean makes a great choice. With a number of small beaches and a private island, the resort feels intimate and secluded even though it's a short drive to both the airport and downtown Montego Bay. Restaurants cater to all tastes. From a romantic French restaurant to a laid-back British-style pub, the snacks on the beach and premium alcohol is unlimited. Guests can also dine at restaurants and partake in activities at other 2 Sandals resorts nearby. And on-site activities and entertainment are also extensive. Thank you for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to hit that like button. And if you're not yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, remember to click the subscribe button and hit the notification icon so you always receive updates.